Just the trigger.
Wow. Holy crap. This is the pan drive shaft that comes off the pan drive motor, and attached to the end of this is a sprocket that the chain goes around. And the sprocket isn't lining up with the gear that the chain goes around as well, and so the chain keeps coming off. So I just welded an extra section, a length into the shaft, welded it up, and ground it down so it fit with the assembly. And so the next step is going to be test it out and see if aligning the chain will help keep it from popping off the chain. This is the encoder. It counts the turns, or the angle of the turns that the pan drive makes, so that it can keep track of the position of the dish, the reference to where it needs to go. And then this is the sprocket. Unfortunately, the first time we tried to test it, the weld that I made broke basically. So we got someone to machine a new one to replace it. So the machine version will be stronger. Unfortunately, the battery died the first time we tested it, so we didn't really get to test it yet.